Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shoutout especially kay Sir Ruel. Quick video testing lang tayo ng unit mo sir. WG708 revolver, 2.5 inches. Airsoft revolver, CO2 powered, 6 shots rotary. So, ayan. Made in Taiwan. Ito yung unit. And then, ito yung mga kasama sir. Manual, fast reloader, tapos yung previous nyo na 5 CO2. Ayan. Then, tactical railing. Tsaka 0.30 grams na BB. So, ginawa ko na pong 0.30 sir. Yung pinakamabigat na bibigay ko sa inyo kasi malakas yung ating unit. CO2 powered kasi. Okay? So, ito yung unit mo sir. 708. Do meron pala tayong sa mga gustong mag-avail guys, meron tayong silver version nan. So, ito naman yung silver. Ito yung black. Okay, magkaiba po yung price niyan. Okay, silver, black. Pero same size yung barrel. Yung order ni Sir Ruel ay black. Okay. 6 shots. Rotary. Ito yung shell. Palagyan lang natin CO2. Okay, ayan. Pasok mo lang dyan, CO2. Do alam naman na to ni Sir Ruel kasi meron na siyang unit revolver. 703. Okay. Ayan. Okay, may quit na. Then, to safety. Okay. Then, forward. And forward pag open. Save. Okay. Lagyan natin BBs. Okay, 6 shots. So, ito fast reloader. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Ayan. Okay. Sir Ruel, test for tayo sir, unit mo. But before tayo mag-testing, yan, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung unit. WG708 2.5 inches revolver. Okay? Okay, Sir Ruel, test fire. Naka-safe siya, no? Yun. Okay, test fire. Double action revolver. Firing. Oops. Lakas. Lakas niya, lalo na pagka bagong lagay ng CO2. Napakalakas. Firing. Wala ng bala. Okay. Sir Ruel, okay na pong unit nyo sir. 100% in good condition po. And if you have more questions sir, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po.